Good day everyone. My topic is promoting sustainable UI HCI design for virtual augmented and mixed reality. I am Magesh Chandramouli, a professor of computer graphics at Purdue Northwest. I served as the director of programs for the Engineering Design Graphics division of the American Society for Engineering Education. I served as principal investigator for National Science Foundation projects involving VR, AR, and MR. In spite of the huge advances in the VR, AR software and hardware, relatively, as I have noted consistently across multiple application domains, the UI and HCI components can be improved significantly to enhance the user experience. VR involves multiple modes ranging from immersive to augmented to mixed reality and desktop reality. People may interact with these using handheld controllers or have an immersive experience, and these can be used to promote emotional self-regulation in children and for communication in children. I'd like to just briefly show the applications with audio.
Oh no, Daisy is sad that it's raining.
These applications could have delivered better user experience if the human-computer interaction was better planned. Here we see how fused deposition model is working, or how virtual assembly is done, interactive hardware assembly. So by interacting and engaging in this manner, it improves the memory and promotes the proprioceptive skills, allowing retention and transfer of skills. So all these seem helpful. What exactly seems to be the concern? The applications shown here can be optimized, and the VR community, the academic and the industry can benefit immensely from properly dedicated efforts to optimize the user experience. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A moving picture can be worth hundreds of thousands of words or even millions. And when you add in features like immersion, navigation, interaction, then it might in fact have a negative impact on the user if these are not carefully presented through the user interface, which is the primary way or the medium through which the user accesses VR. Efforts are dedicated towards the 3D model generation, exporting the models across platforms, and using programs like Unity 3D and Vuforia to program and customize these. But relatively, the amount of effort that's dedicated towards UI HCI needs to be improved significantly. So the VR modes are being accessed via different ways like desktop computers, handheld controllers, tablet devices, and so on. The goals of this fellowship plan are to increase the engagement of the academic and industrial community and to promote open data sharing. Currently, including myself, there may be many VR academicians and other professionals who may only be sharing their works in journals and through other conventional grant and funding channels, and may not be actively engaging through online communities. The primary focus in these workshops and panels will be to establish common recommended practices for sound UI HCI development in VR and to promote proper understanding of the importance of UI HCI as an integral part and not an optional part, and also the proper use of gestures, colors, mouse, keyboard, handheld controller interactions, and how to optimize navigation and teleportation within VR, AR, etc. So in the spring of 2023, I intend to develop carpentry mode workshops focusing on UI HCI for VR, AR, MR. These involve developing, applying, sharing, and improving at least a minimum of 3 online workshops, and these will be supplemented by monthly panels and discussion forums that involve learning among practitioners from UK and US and also practitioners from UK and India. I intend to build on the existing networks and the advisory panels and or other collaborations that I have in these geographical areas to accomplish this. In the summer of 2023, I plan to develop communities of practice to brainstorm new ideas and analyze results, and in the fall, I intend to establish support network in these geographical regions and promote online sites or blog, and also I intend to attend conference to further this effort. And the funding will allow primarily providing honorariums for the participants and travel for conferences as may be applicable. So as a result of this, existing collaborating networks will be capitalized on, and increased communication between VR AR practitioners, project members, advisory board members, and industry professionals will lead to sustainable improvement of UI HCI, and it will bridge the gap between UI HCI developers in VR AR. And this way, the coding skills and the computational thinking for online 3D and virtual worlds can be promoted for sustainable practices. I'd like to thank you very much for watching.